Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my best ever chocolate buttercream frosting. A couple weeks ago I showed how to make my best ever vanilla buttercream frosting, so if you haven't seen that video I'll put a link to it up here or in the description box. This recipe is very similar to my vanilla buttercream frosting, we're just adding chocolates to it. So let's get started. So here are all the ingredients that we're going to need. Some softened butter, either salted or unsalted, it really doesn't matter. I like using salted butter. And some chopped up unsweetened chocolates. You must use unsweetened chocolates. There's no additional sugar going into this recipe. We also need powdered sugar and heavy cream. And then for flavoring, we've got vanilla extract and salt. So let's get started with making the frosting now. So the first thing we're going to do is melt the chocolate. You can either do it in the microwave or over a double boiler. So if you're doing it in the microwave, you need to stir it every 30 seconds to make sure it's heating evenly. And then once all the chocolate is melted, just set it aside to cool. Then next, into a large bowl, add in the softened butter. And then beat it with an electric mixer on high speed for 5 minutes until it's very light and pale. So after 5 minutes of beating, you'll see it has gone much lighter in color because of all the air that was whipped into it. Then next we need to sift the powdered sugar, and that just adds air and it gets rid of lumps. So add the powdered sugar into a sifter set over a medium bowl, and then sift it into the bowl. So after all the powdered sugar is sifted, you then need to add it into the whipped butter, adding just 1 spoonful at a time, and mixing with the electric mixer on low speed. And just keep adding the powdered sugar 1 spoonful at a time until about half of the powdered sugar is added. Once about half of the powdered sugar is added, you then need to beat it on high speed for 3 minutes. And then after beating for another 3 minutes, you then need to add in the rest of the powdered sugar. Again, just 1 spoonful at a time. If you feel like the frosting is getting too stiff, you can add in a tablespoon of the heavy cream to loosen it up. Once all the powdered sugar is added, it will be a really stiff mixture at this point. So now you need to add in the melted chocolate, which should be cooled down at this point. And then mix it in until it's combined. Now you need to add in the heavy cream, just 1 tablespoon at a time until it reaches a frosting-like consistency. You'll know it's a good frosting consistency when you take a scoop of the frosting, then turn it upside down. It shouldn't fall off. So at this point, add in the vanilla extract and the salt. Mix them in until they're combined. And then beat it on high speed for another 2 or 3 minutes. And then just finish it off by mixing it by hand. And there you go, that's my best ever chocolate buttercream frosting. And you can use this to frost any cake or cupcakes you like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like, and check out my channel for many more videos, and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.